Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're smoking a spatchcock turkey on the birch barrel. First thing that we need to do is build up a good ember bed on the birch barrel, so let's fire up the grill. We have a nice stack of smaller sticks of oak wood, and we're gonna light them using a fire starter. When we have a good fire going, we can add a few more sticks to create a nice ember bed. So while we're waiting for the wood in the birch barrel to create a nice ember bed, it's time to spatchcock and season the turkey. So here's what we're gonna do. To spatchcock the turkey, we're gonna start by placing it breast side down. Then we need to make 2 cuts along the backbone of the turkey. And then we're gonna use a set of sharp kitchen shears to cut the backbone out. You have to cut through some bones, so don't be afraid to use a little bit of force. You also want to make a cut with the knife in the bone underneath. Next, we're going to flip the turkey over, and then we're going to push down to flatten it out. Now we need to season the turkey on both sides, and first we're going to put down a layer of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Bird Boost, and then you want to add a second layer of lightly dusting our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. We also want to make a quick compound butter by adding the Veggie and the Bird Boost to a couple of sticks of butter. Then we want to mix this up and carefully push it under the skin of the turkey breast. Then the turkey is ready for the grill. Now when we have a good ember base, we want to lower the charcoal box all the way down. Then we're going to place the turkey on the grates, and then it's time to place the turkey on the grill. Next we want to secure the lid to the grates and lift it up, and we want to keep it at a height where the turkey smokes at about 375 degrees. Halfway through the cook, we're going to spray the turkey with a little bit of duck fat as well. Now we're going to smoke the turkey like this for 2 to 3 hours, or until it reaches an inner temperature of about 165 degrees. And that is how I make my smoked spatchcock turkey on the birch barrel. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So a little bit of skin and a little bit of turkey breast. Oh, come on. Moist, great smoke flavor. This is an amazing turkey. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.